boys and girls, welcome back to your favorite web-slinging superhero here, your wall-crawling man with a plan. Oh. Okay, that started off pretty hot and heavy. You might want to run, buddy. I'm not saving you. Okay. Hold on. I gotta... Hold on, fellas. Whoa! This episode started off a little hot and heavy. I did not expect it. Whoa! Pork and Donuts, New York City's finest. No, not pork and donuts. I swear I didn't make the pea mist all over the city. That wasn't me. Oh, I do need this, though. Give me this health. Thank you. And now I'll just skedaddle. Oh! Almost fell. That was kind of cool. Whoa. Okay. Whoa! How was I supposed to dodge that? Come on, man. You're not gonna make me restart the whole thing, right? Don't you make me restart the whole thing. There we go. Good boy. How do I guess I'll go around? Okay. Annoying. I'm assuming I gotta stay out of the spotlights, right? I mean, I've played enough video games to know. Whoa! You almost had me, partner. Uh-oh. Ah! Damn. Alright, this is kind of tough. I feel like I'm missing an important thing here. Can I web zip by chance? Let's test this out here. Let's test this out. Oh, I can jump off, but I don't seem to be able to web zip. Okay. Alright, this time for sure. This time's it. This is the real time right here. Up, dodge that, dodge those. Oh, is it? Oh, I'm an idiot. I see the pattern now. I'm a dummy. Yeah, it's just, it's those things they destroy. Okay. Yeah, that was my fault. Got in the spotlight. Uh-oh, whoa, gotta get out of there. Okay. Now what? Straight up? I'm gonna just try going straight up. These guys are relentless. Oh. Whew. Kinda tough, I'm not gonna lie, kinda tough. Nice graffiti there, Treyarch. We know we're playing the game, buddy. You don't gotta advertise anymore. Hey, Jerry Swinger? That says versus Captain America? Easy, pal. Come on. Who's shooting at me? Is it the Punisher? Come on. Pathetic. How big is this building? Whoa! Am I dead? Nope. Okay, good. Can I go up this way? Hey, whoa! Oh, no! But I still didn't die. Weird. Okay. Live on 5. That's kind of cool. Daredevil was in this, though, in the last episode. I did not expect him. This was made in 2000. I'm trying to think of who else would be in this game here. Am I good? Where am I? Did I die? Oh, my gosh. All that just to die. Oh, great. This again. This wasn't so hard. Negative on shot. Is it? Because you are a I'm just going straight, man. Alright, I'm gonna try something different here. We're gonna... Just go, just go, just go. Whoo! Uh-oh. Oh, did I make it? Am I good? That was kind of a pain in the butt level, I'm not gonna lie. Didn't love that one. Is that the Punisher shooting me? Come on, who's shooting me? Bullseye? How do I... Oh, I just gotta swing. Okay, I see. The compass is telling me just to swing. Just swing, buddy. Take it easy now. Why do they call it a hotel when you don't tell what hoe you're doing? What's up with that? Oh, there was health over there. I probably should have gotten that. So we're just going for it. We're brute forcing it. Swing, buddy, swing. Okay, there's health there anyway. Give me this, please. Good? We good? Everybody's good. Okay, we're good. Now where do I go? Here, I guess. Oh! Okay, didn't expect that. Did not expect that. Okay. Okay, let's just go. Let's just go. This truly is New York City. Oh, did I make it? Oh my gosh. Whoa, oh, this again? Yeah, I'm saying the same thing. Ironwork construction. Is that like Iron Man? It's got the same kind of font. Yeah, let me just punch this guy. Thank you. Can I zip up? I can. Oh, okay. Suck it. Oh! I knew that was gonna happen, it still scared me. Just keep going up like that. This is how you do it. Look at this. This is the key strategy here. Just go up. Punch this guy, because he shouldn't be here.
How tall is this thing?
My thoughts exactly, buddy.
The only way out.
Which is the only way out? This way? Oh! Go, Spider-Man! Wait, did I die? I swung. That was a swing. I don't know. What just happened? I survived, I think. Oh my gosh, how long is this level? Wait, did I die? Or is this just repeating stuff? I feel like I died. I feel like this is all a repeat, right? Ooh. Wait, no, give me that. Oh, I'm already at full up. Never mind, boys. You have fun down there on your own. Going this way. Oh, I can oh, okay. I only web zip because that was there. Go up. You're going the wrong way. Roxxon oil. Cool. Very cool. I recognize Roxxon. They were a big, if you guys watch Cloak and Dagger, they were in that too. They've also been in the MCU. Nope, I know it's gonna fall. Oh yeah. Who's your guys' favorite Spider-Man? I'm basic. I go with Toby all day. Oh, that was something new. Okay.
Hey, you gonna pay for that tower? It's tingling. One more step and it's a load of web fluid sticking you to that wall.
Well, it's not the most romantic proposition ever.
Gross, Spider-Man.
I'm so glad it's you.
Good to see you too, Big Boy, but you got a problem. Venom's got control of the Jumbotron in Times Square. He's been ranting for hours with a message from him.
Venom's ugly face on that big screen? That's scary.
That's not all. Rhino's on a rampage over Omnitech as well.
What is this, the bad guy Olympics? Look, Times Square is on the way to Omnitech. Let's find out what Venom's up to, and then we'll tackle Rhino.
The Venom Marathon continues on the biggest TV in New York. We're shouting out to the whole big run.
Sad thing is, he'll probably get his own talk show.
So we've got this beautiful red. You know her. She's one of those famous spin runners. We have decided that this boy has 24 hours to live. 24 hours! Oh, by the way, her name is Mary Jane Parker.
No, Jane.
So, just in case someone, I don't know who it could be, if any of you type-wearing freaks out there want to save this fashion model, then bring it on! Meanwhile, New Yorkers, the Venom Marathon will continue!
Yay!
To realize what this means, forget about helping me with Omnitech.
Rhino by yourself? Thanks, Cat, but no thanks. Look, being Spider-Man has given me a lot and taken a lot away. But one thing never changes. My responsibility to use my powers for others before myself, no matter what the cost. There are innocent people at Omnitech, and they need our help right now. I won't let them down. Then I'll stop Venom. And this time, last time.
It's gonna kill Venom? Also, did you see it said Mary Jane Supermodel? Baby, yeah, baby, or something like that? I don't know. Weird. Alright, boys and girls, I guess we're fighting Venom next time. So, until then, stay cool, stay frosty, and hasta la pasta, babies. Uncle loves you.